Okay, so in the previous video, we saw that your agent got created automatically. And if you see, it has actually given a name to an agent like agent 672. It has given an ID to it, which is based on the assistant. So which from here also you can make out that's actually based on the assistant's API, right? And it also shows, okay, this is based on the model or the deployment that you are going to utilize is GPT-4o mini. So that's why guys, it's very important that you have a deployment in place, right? Now, this could be deployment of Llama, as I suggested, or it could be, any of the partners that Microsoft has gone with, or obviously we have the GPT models. Now, once you click here, you will see that on the right side, you will get an agent ID. Now, this agent ID is normally utilized when we go at the coding level. Then it gives you a name. It also shows you the Azure Open AI service resource, right? The one that we connected to. This connection is very important. It shows you the deployment. If you need, you can always create a new deployment. And like as I showed, you can have Mistral, Llama. You can have these deployments and you can connect that deployment with that agent. And this is your system prompt. And what I wanted to show here is there's a concept of knowledge tools and action tools, because all these assistants, all these agents are based on tools. So what Microsoft has cleverly done is they have put two categories, which is of knowledge and which is of actions. Now we discussed that in theory, but here you will see if I click on knowledge tools, you will see it gives me the capability of file search. It gives me the capability of Azure AI Search, and it gives me the capability of grounding with Bing Search. In this case, somehow it's showing not compatible because the model I used is not compatible with this. But in the upcoming lectures, you will see that we will utilize the right model and we'll test the grounding with Bing Search as well. Now, this is knowledge, like this is your knowledge base. You're giving or supplying the information to the tool, or you're supplying the information to the to your LLM through these knowledge bases. And then it says you can enhance the agent's capability by allowing it to run various tools at runtime. So these are some actions. With action tools, we have the code interpreter. We have the Open API 3.0 specified tool. So if you have your own API, which is as per the Open API 3.0 standards, then you can bring that as a tool for the agent as well. We have a concept of custom function, right? You can hook your agent to call your custom function that can actually get the real-time data, perform calculations. And we also have a concept of Azure functions, where you can run scalable, event-driven code that hooks into the Azure backend, right? So as part of this, I just wanted to give you a good understanding of how you can understand your agent that has been created and what capabilities it has. In the next lecture, I'll show you how you can enter into the agent's playground. Thanks for watching.